And here, up on the shelf here, we have Snowflake, sister of Marshmallow. These two kitties, they're kittens actually, need a home together. They had originally been found as strays. Did you two go off on an adventure by yourselves? Got into trouble? Did you get lost? But they took care of each other while they were lost. So they need to stay together in their new home. Such sweethearts. Yes, you are. You're waving hi to the camera? Good for you, Snowflake. And what are you doing down here? You lying on your back there, Marshmallow, huh? Oh, you're going to show that you can do it too, Snowflake? Do you guys have to do what each other does? You see your brother doing it, so you got to do it too? Oh my goodness. Aren't you adorable? It's hard to tell these two apart, except for Snowflake has beautiful, two beautiful blue eyes. And Marshmallow has one beautiful blue eye and one beautiful amber eye. You get the golden touch, don't you? Well, you two are just adorable. Loving kitties. Saying bye-bye? Yeah. Bye. Nope, hear a dog. Yeah, it makes you a little uncomfortable, a little on guard. That's a good thing if you were outdoors. You never know. Some dogs like cats and some don't. Bye-bye.